Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So it is currently 32 degrees here in the Midwest. Well, here in Nebraska, I guess I should say. It's supposed to snow, or at least according to the weather app, it says we're gonna expect flurries here in like 10 minutes. Oh my god, why is this so hard to plug in? And I wanted to come to the warehouse a little earlier to turn on the heaters inside of the van. This propane heater and then that electrical heater that we got, because I want to paint the wheel wells this morning and I'm out of propane because we went through two of these, so I had an extra one in the garage, so we're gonna use this for this. And then we have the extension cord out. I think we used it for something else. Let me go ahead and turn this bad boy on. And this has like a tip sensor, so if it tips over or leans forward, it shuts off. Same thing with the buddy heater. Which is a pretty good feature, because if you ever leave it on while you're sleeping or something, you know, it's not going to start a fire. There we go. Got the little pilot light on. It's gonna get hot in here pretty quick. Happened yesterday. It got super hot. Well, we let it heat up in here. I'm gonna go pick my uncle up. Then when I come back, we're going to clean off this area so I can paint this. And while I'm doing that, I think my uncle's gonna kind of clean the floor, because we're going to install the flooring today. And we'll see what else we do. I'm not sure what else we're gonna do. Probably install the floor, and then I'm missing a little bit of wire for this outlet here to go over to the panel, so probably have to go get some wire. Oh, and then we're gonna go to the store and pick up our kitchen. Probably won't set it in today because we still got to finish a bunch of stuff over here, but yeah, that's kind of the little rundown of today. So let's go and pick up my uncle, and then I'll see you guys here in a bit. Cleanup time. ¿El cuál, compa?
Digo,
para
los
abrirle.
desarmador, pero ahí pesa.
Sí.
Así que por ahí, ese necesitamos más echamos. No se secó, ¿verdad?
No. No, es que cuando lo mete con la humedad,
La bolsa lo protege
se la
del aire.
protege.
Del aire.
Ajá.
Y ahorita está
Fresquecito.
fresco.
Well, there we go, guys. 2 coats on each side. Now we're just going to go ahead and run to the store while those dry. There it is, our sink and cooktop cabinet. It's the last piece that we need for, well, that, and trying to see if one of these closets here will fit inside the van, so we don't have to build it. We can just drop it in, because this is kind of exactly what I need right here. This is perfect for the portable toilet down here. Got some drawer space, and then I also can hang some clothes in here. So we're hoping we can take the bottom part off. It might fit inside the van. ¿Mande? Sí, sí, dale para acá, dale.
Y si no va a caber ahí, te dejo ponerlo así. Ya midiendo que son 12 pies de largo, ya se me encaja en este pedazo así. ¿Mire? Sí, lo te digo, sí. Vamos a decir que se caliente un rato.
Alright, so we laid it out to let it expand with the heat a little better, and now we're just going to cut some of that excessive flooring. That way we can see a little better of where we're cutting, so we can get some nicer cuts on there. So we're just going to go ahead and use the same adhesive spray that I used for the insulation. We're just going to put it around the edges and probably down the middle. We don't want to put too much glue and overdo it, you know. So we went ahead and sprayed some adhesive down the middle. I'm just going to go ahead and flatten it out the best and get those bubbles out if there is any in there. And one of the reasons I went with this flooring was because it kind of works as an insulation and it's easy to install. And I don't have to worry about it warping from the heat or the cold. The only problem is that maybe if we use too much glue, it might kind of eat it up and start wrinkling it. But other than that, I think it's going to work just fine for what we want to use it for. So this here is what I meant, guys, when cutting the excessive flooring. Now we can get a little bit more of precise cuts. That way we don't leave too much of extra flooring, or we cut too much off and then we have gap where you can see the floor, you know. There you guys go. Another step closer. There's the flooring. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. What do you think about the new look on the floor? I like it. Can't wait for you guys to see the cabinets we got. Oh yeah, it's coming along. I'm excited. Well guys, we're gonna finish off by putting on this trim here, but only one of the screws was long enough, so we gotta buy more screws so we can set this down like that. My uncle cut this little piece out so it could pass that lip. But there's today's progress. Another one for the books. Another step closer. But I think we're gonna go ahead and end the video there. we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. It dropped down like 10 degrees, so it's super cold. We're waiting for parts, so probably won't do anything till maybe after the weekend. So with that being said, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.